Yes, I'm aware I kind of did spend a lot of money this month, but I did actually have 2 gift cards, so that's what I keep on telling myself. I justify it that way. Now, I spent more than the money on those 2 gift cards, but at least I did, use those 2 gift cards as well to buy these things, so it was totally okay, right? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and as you can tell by today's title, I am going to be showing you a cumulative Ulta haul, the things that I accumulated over September, and then also I'm going to share with you a few things that I bought at Nordstrom Rack. I just recently went there, and I got a few exciting things as well. If you like beauty videos, and especially hauls, Ulta, things like that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday if you want to go ahead and subscribe. So if you want to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. So September had the 21 days of beauty at Ulta. That is how I accumulated most of these things. However, I did get some things that weren't necessarily on sale, but I wanted to include in this haul as well. I love shopping at Ulta. I'm a platinum member. I get pretty much most of my beauty products there. I really like shopping there. So in no particular order, the first thing that I got, actually I haven't tried out yet. A lot of the things I have tried already, but I got this Clarisonic brush head. This was 50% off. I think that this was about $15 or $16 if I can remember the exact price. I'll put that in the video. So I got a Clarisonic for Christmas last year, and it was about time for me to change my brush head. So I thought that I would try a different one. This is actually the Radiance brush head, and I had been using the one for sensitive skin. I liked it, but I just kind of wanted to try something new, and I thought that this was a good time because normally these are $27. So if I didn't like the brush head, I didn't want to pay almost $30 for something that I don't like. So I figured now is a good time to try it. Hopefully that I like this. I really like using the Clarisonic to clean my face. I use it about twice a day, every day. Really like using that. The next thing I got one of the days, the Tarte lip paints for $10. You should already know if you have been watching me, I love the Tarte lip paints. I love that formula. And the shade that I got was Bling. I think that they're very long lasting, but normally they're $20. So I don't personally like paying $20 just for one lip color. But so I definitely wanted to make sure that I picked this up. The next thing that I have to show you actually wasn't on sale with the 21 Days of Beauty. I think I might have actually gotten this a little bit before September, but I'm gonna go ahead and include that in this haul because I think if I did get it in August, it was the very end of August. But anyway, so I got the Revolution, the Emily Edit palette, specifically the Once, and I have already done a video on this. I will make sure that I link it down below. But you get 24 shades and a huge mirror as well, and the shades look like this. I think that they're really great quality. I have already reviewed this in that video, so I'm not going to go into that in great detail again, but I really highly recommend this palette if you can get your hands on it. It's kind of hard to find, but hopefully it's not sold out online. I'll make sure that I will link that down below. This palette's only $20, so definitely worth it because you get 24 great shades for $20. But like I said, I reviewed that in my video dedicated to this. I will make sure that I link that. With this purchase came this palette. I don't think that you can just purchase this by itself, unfortunately. It's a really good palette. I did do a video using this palette as well, which I will link down below. You get a lot of great quality shadows. Once again, the brand is Makeup Revolution, and you got it if you spent at least $15 on Makeup Revolution, so I'm really glad that I got this. On that same Ulta trip, I got this bag, which I'm really happy I got. I actually was eyeing it earlier in the summer, but it was full price. I think it was like $15, $17. I don't need another makeup bag, so I couldn't really justify it. But you see, I saw this in clearance, and I literally held it for like about 5 minutes deciding if I wanted to buy it or not. But I finally came to the conclusion that I'd be really sad if I didn't get it. I really think it's super cute. The inside is actually lined with this coral color, and also I couldn't say no because I think it was like $6.88, I'm pretty sure, so pretty cheap, pretty affordable. And I love stripes, and I love blue and white stripes because I love blue, and then I love coral, and you can fit a lot in this shape, so I could just see myself using it. And at the end of the day, I am very glad I purchased this. I actually brought this one with me whenever I went to New Orleans, so I'm very pleased with this purchase. Before I continue, yes, I'm aware I kind of did spend a lot of money this month, but I did actually have 2 gift cards, so that's what I keep on telling myself. I justify it that way. Now, I spent more than the money on those 2 gift cards, but at least I did, use those 2 gift cards as well to buy these things, so it was totally okay, right? The next thing that I want to mention before I forget is I actually got the Becca Poreless Priming Perfector, and unfortunately that has not come in yet. I thought it was going to come in the mail today, but I will insert a picture of that. I'm really glad I got that. I tested it in the store and I liked the consistency of it. I don't think it's gonna be really silicone-y. It looks like it's gonna kind of absorb well. Fun fact, I actually got a sample of that on one of my Ulta online orders, but I haven't tried that yet. I think because I keep on forgetting that I have it, but I hope that I do like that. I think I will. I really like the Urban Decay one that I'm using now, but I kind of want to try and see if I can find another primer that I like as well. The next thing that I kind of want to share, I wasn't even planning on purchasing because I didn't even mention this in my 21 Days of Beauty video, but I'm glad that I got it. It's this Saint Tropez Gradual Tan, and it says it's tinted for an instant healthy glow. It says it's an everyday tinted body lotion, but now I am glad that I got this, but like, I cannot imagine using this every single day. Granted, I am very, very pale, so maybe if you do have like a little bit of a deeper skin tone, you might be able to use this every day, but I just don't see how you can, because after just one use, and I think the reason it says it's a gradual tan is like throughout the day, it does darken a lot. Well, not a lot, but it does definitely darken. And it actually stays for like a couple days afterwards. I used this, I believe, about 3 days ago, and I still have a pretty significant tan from it. So if you think that I look pale in this video, just imagine I am a lot paler actually without this. I have used this a few times. I'm very glad that I got it, but I don't know if I would repurchase it because it's $30. So I got it on sale for $15. I don't know. I just don't know if I would repurchase this. The smell doesn't annoy me or anything like that. But it does, I feel like definitely if I use this every day, I would turn into looking very orange, which is not really the look that I'm going for. I will just show you very carefully what it looks like. So this is what it looks like initially out of the tube. And so the bronzer that I used before this was actually a Fake Bake bronzing mousse, and I don't like that at all because I did use up most of it, but the smell, like you could smell it throughout the day, and I couldn't deal with that, so definitely do not want to repurchase that. I wouldn't really recommend it. But with this is pretty thick, so it's kind of hard to work into your skin. I'll just put it on the backside of my arm. But as you can see, it definitely already has like a color right off the bat, and then it just kind of darkens. Also, I don't know, I would probably recommend wearing gloves with this because whenever I use this, it does turn my palms kind of orangey, which is not really a cute look. It's not really like the look that you want to go for, so I'd probably recommend using gloves. The smell though isn't super annoying. I feel like it might get kind of annoying if I use this for like a couple months. It is good and it does last a long time. I'm glad that I tried it out, but I just don't know if I would repurchase it. The next thing that I have to show you, it definitely wasn't purchased with the 21 Days of Beauty, but I just was running low. I actually love using the Ulta cotton pads. You get 80 of them for $2.99, which is a great deal. I use these to take off my eye makeup every day, to apply my toner every day, to apply my witch hazel every day. I just really like them because I think that they're a good consistency and they're not super flimsy as well. They're really affordable. I really, really like these. They might seem as kind of like a boring purchase, but I really, really highly recommend these. And hey, they're pretty affordable. So yeah, I just got one. I probably could have gotten more, but like I've already spent a lot of money at Ulta in September. So, you know, I'll get more whenever I need them. Next thing I ordered online, and it has not come in yet, but it is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I actually do have that to show you because this is the one that I'm currently using. I thought that I was going to have, you know, this was my backup that I mentioned in the video, but then I started having to use it, and I wasn't going to buy this because, like I said, I did spend a lot of money at Ulta in September, but full price, it's $32, but it was on sale for half off, so $16, and that hardly ever happens. And I will definitely use this, like I use this pretty much every day because I do my makeup every day. So every day that I do my makeup, I definitely use this. I can't sing its praises enough. And then the last thing that I have to show you that I got from Ulta, this I did get also from the 21 Days of Beauty, is this Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I'm not wearing it today. That probably would have been smart. But you know, sometimes I just don't think things through. But anyway, I have used this in a video and I do really like it, but it's $25. I got it for $12.50. And for that reason, you have to like really, really wow me. And I really do think that this is a really good mascara, but I don't think I would pay $25 for it. I am glad that I got the full size for $12.50, and you best believe I will use this up. I will continue using it. It is a really good mascara, but I mean, I'm sorry for always mentioning the Cosmetic Superhero mascara, but it's just fabulous. It's $24 and that mascara definitely did wow me, and I would recommend it even for that price because it is hands down just a great mascara. I think it makes you look like you're wearing false lashes. I love that mascara, but I don't regret buying this, but I just wouldn't pay $25 for it. And that is all that I got from Ulta. So now moving on to Nordstrom Rack. I recently went to New Orleans, and if there is a city, like while I'm at it, that has Nordstrom Rack, like you best believe I'm gonna go there. So I just got a few things and I kind of wanted to share what I got. The first thing that I want to mention is actually the lip color that I'm wearing today. I love Nordstrom Rack because they always have Urban Decay things there, and you guys know Urban Decay is my favorite brand, and they're usually about 50% off, so I love going to Nordstrom Rack for that reason alone. The first thing that I want to mention is the lip color that I'm wearing today. It is this Urban Decay Vice lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade ZZ. I really like it. I think it lasts a really long time, and I got it for $8.97 when it's normally $18. I don't like paying full price for makeup, especially I do not like paying full price for lip products, just because I think you can usually find some pretty good deals, and if not, I get a lot of lip products throughout my Ipsy bags and things like that. So I never really like paying full price for lip products, but whenever I can find them on sale, especially whenever it's Urban Decay and it's a great shade, I definitely will pick it up. I think it's kind of like a purple, it's like a purple color, but it's a very wearable purple. It's actually pretty close to another shade that I have in this formula called WSM. I mentioned that in my summer favorites. I also got that at Nordstrom Rack. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, I'm really glad I got this. And then the next thing that I want to mention that I'm super excited about, like whenever I saw this, oh man, I got so excited, is it's the same formula as the Vice liquid lipstick, but it's in the shade Amulet. Fun fact, I actually used this in my very first tutorial. I mentioned that but I only had like the baby size, and I mentioned that I wanted to get it, but whenever it was on sale, so it was originally $18 and I got it for $8.97. I will link that video down below too, because I mean, it's my first video. It's an Urban Decay look. You should check it out. Anyway, it's this color. It's a very wearable, it's in the shade Amulet, and I would describe it as a reddish nude. I will swatch it for you next to that other shade. It's not showing up as reddish, but I think that this shade is beautiful. It's so pretty, stunning, also great for layering over lip colors, which is what I did in that video. I really love this shade, and I was super excited that I got it. Probably my favorite thing that I picked up at Nordstrom Rack. The next thing I got was just a repurchase. This is the lip balm that I'm using currently, and I once again did also buy that at Nordstrom Rack, but this I got on sale. It was only $5. It's the Urban Decay Rehab Makeup Prep, and it's lip love. It's a shea butter coconut oil moisturizing lip balm. It's just a clear lip balm, and it was only $5. I already know that I like it, so I definitely wanted to pick that up. And then lastly at Nordstrom Rack, I got these really pretty earrings. They're Lucky brand, as you can see. I almost didn't get them because they were $16.97, which is a little bit more than I normally would like to pay for a pair of earrings. But they're Lucky brand, it's a good quality, and I would be very upset, not upset, I'd just be really sad if I didn't get them, because I think that they're really pretty. I don't have anything like this. Also, while we were at the mall, we also stopped at Loft. I got this long necklace right here. This is the bottom. It's just like a chevron, and has like a pinkish stone and then a gold, and it's alternating like that. That's the end of it. It's just like a long chain necklace, and it was at a Loft outlet. Also, what I like about this is that the chain is adjustable. It has these two little strands on either side, so you can adjust the chain so you can adjust how long you want it. So I really liked that. So yeah, I think it was around $15 or $16, but Loft, once again, is a good brand. And also that was like a long chain necklace. I think it's really pretty. So that is it for my little haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos. Like I mentioned, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. And also with subscribing, make sure you hit the bell notification so that way you will be notified. I will also leave a link to my Instagram down below. You should follow me there too if you want. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.